To change audio sources, return to the Toyota multimedia system. For Apple users, tap the diagonal arrows in the top left-hand corner of the touchscreen. This will expand to reveal the Toyota Audio Multimedia menu, where you can tap the feature you want to access. Switching back to Apple CarPlay is just as easy. Simply tap the Apple CarPlay icon in the top left corner to return. If you're an Android user, tap the Toyota icon on the Android Auto interface to be brought to the Toyota Audio Multimedia system. Just as with Apple CarPlay, you can return to Android Auto by tapping the icon in the top left corner of the touchscreen menu. Now, let's return to the Toyota Audio Multimedia system and change the audio source. If you weren't automatically brought to the Now Playing screen, you can easily access it by tapping the Music Note icon on the left-hand menu. This Now Playing screen will show you what is currently playing no matter the audio source you're using. From here, tap Sources to see your options like radio, Bluetooth, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. Select Radio to choose between FM, AM, or Sirius XM. When you find a station you like, select the station and tap the heart in the top right corner to add it to your favorites. To tune to a favorite, tap the tile of the saved radio station. You can also change to a favorite channel by pushing the previous and next buttons on the steering wheel. Bear in mind that the steering audio controls will only cycle through your saved collection of favorites. To explore channels, tap the radio source you'd like to browse, like FM radio. You can scroll and select a preferred genre to be presented with stations in that category. You can also scroll through stations by tapping channel up or down on the touchscreen. If you are an Apple Music or Amazon Music subscriber, you can connect your existing subscriptions to use the vehicle's integrated streaming capability through a trial subscription or a paid connected services plan. To take advantage of this feature, access your Toyota profile and settings and tap Linked Accounts. Select the service you'd like to connect and follow the steps to link your existing Apple Music and/or Amazon Music subscriptions. Once connected, when you tap Sources, you can select integrated streaming for a more enhanced multimedia experience specifically optimized for driving.